Hey, so this is a video to show you the functions for this Ordro head cam. As you can see, it has a control that is wearable like a watch. So to start this video, I actually just pressed the video button one time. If I want to take just a solid image, a picture, I can press the camera icon here. Now, if I press it while I'm recording a video, it will take a snapshot. So I can actually perform both functions at the same time. I'm going to put this to the side for a moment. And just to show you the way it records your hands, you kind of want to make sure that your hands are right in your field of view. And if you're going to solve a problem, for example, if I'm going to solve a problem like 10 plus 2, you can see that I can break this down for the students by place value, and we're going to add 0 plus 2, which is going to be 2. We have nothing to carry over. Now we're going to work with the tens place. We have 1, and there's nothing below it, so we'll bring that 1 down. So our problem has been solved as 10 plus 2 equals 12. So hopefully with this camera, we'll be able to see more hands-on activity by the teacher, thereby building a somewhat more closer relationship between a student and teacher in videos. Thanks for watching this test. I'm going to press the camera button again to end the video.